Hello my people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, una good day. I don't know the time where it be for your side, but na greet I dey greet you. You see, somebody asked me the question, say wetin be the difference between excision in process and excision? We go see say na excision in process and excision. Some people go dey wonder say this thing suppose be the same thing, na excision in process and excision. But as when you both take talk and so excision in process, that one mean say then the processor maybe they don submit paper but they never sign paper. That thing if you say that document still dey in process. But the other one wey be excision, e show say e be like say they don sign the paper and they don give permission. You see, land where they say excision, na like this e be. Before, na omonile na dem get right to their land. They fit do anything with their land. E don happen say some people wan buy land, maybe they wan build company or they wan do other things on top of that land. But now the omonile no dey sell the land give them, they rent the land, they give people, they know the seller, and that one can make them still get power over that land. So they know the sell and give people. So it can reach 1978 for March 28, the government can say this thing no they allow people to come invest or to buy land so that they could fit develop our area. So what we could do now be say we could put them for law. So they can put them for law. March 28, 1978. Whether they call Land Use Act. Now there they come talk say now government get all the land for the states. So what the government can they do be say then collect part where they want for the community, where they need. It's okay. We won't build something for the citizen, whether na company or whether na school, whether na secretariat or anything, whether na school where they won't build. No matter what they won't build, they go talk say we won't collect part of owner land. So the one where government collects, government go mark am out say this place reach this place, we collect them. They go see on show am for you for that government gazette say this other part na the community get am, we no get hand for that land. So the community go fit do what they want do with the land. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make it turn the notification bell so that anytime we will post something like this you go see them. So the community people now they get land where be their own, where they go fit sell. So if they sell that land to you, government don't mark and say we don't get anything to do with this land, and they don't give the community say on a fit sell on a land, we don't get anything to do with that. So government no go come that place say they won't come do anything. And even though government say they won't come here, if you buy your property there, government will compensate you because they already keep the land to the community. But if you no buy for community own, you can't go buy land. Maybe one money they carry you go say now our land be this, but our government get the land. You can't go buy it. They go don't tell you say they can't tell you say they will see the process the excision. If you go buy land for that government land, now you say you don't enter wahala. You don't enter wahala. That one means say if government come tomorrow, you go pursue you come on for the land. You no get shishi to collect for the land where you buy. You still get some place where they say they never put them for government gazette. They never mark them out say for this part of the community we don't give them to community, and this other side we will be government, we don't collect this part. So that one will be excision in process. So that one still dey 50-50. Is it possible say the place where you buy your land, when government go give the community excision, that place where you buy your land fit fall into the part where community collect? But if you fall inside the place where government select, and if you say government won't build something for that place, don't be say they won't sell that place for people to develop, that one means say your name na Oyo. Yes. But if say government won't sell that place, then be say you sef go still go buy for government back so that you go fit get your land. Na so e be. So excision in process na 50-50 for some places, and for some places na 100% failure. That abi 100% failure, because if you go buy the one wey dem don already excise, if the government don say na our own be this, if government say that they come tomorrow, they go pursue you comot for the place, and you no go get shishi for your money wey you pay. So that is why e good when you wan buy land, make you do research, make you search the land, make you go to for Lagos na Lausa, you go for a land bureau, na dem go check am for you, and then they go help you see whether this land e dey free from government acquisition abi e no dey free from government acquisition. So if you buy land wey be the excision in process, na 50-50 be. Government fit come tomorrow say we no want this land wey you dey buy, e fall into the government land, so comot for this land, and shishi you no go get. So na 50-50 be. And some of the things wey we need to know na be this when we don wan buy land, and you will see the land title. So when you see government approve excision, that one na correct land, because government no dey come the land. Your land na you go process the CFO by yourself, you go run am. So na so e be. My name na Chidi, and make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and we go dey give better videos like this. We go teach you now about land, and we go bring some properties to una as well. My name na Chidi once again. Na property update now with this. So see you now next time.